Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you send your Amazon gift card balance to someone else? Well, let's just go ahead and connect our.
In here, you just basically log in. Since I'm already logged into my account here, let's just go ahead on the Amazon gift card section and just scroll down a little bit here. There's a lot of gift cards here: e-gift cards, physical gift cards, personalized coloring page. You can choose one of those. Click on add to cart if you want to buy one of these gift cards, like animation standards, photos and video gift cards. Okay, so that's just basically, but since we're sending it to someone else, you can basically scroll down in here, the recipient's email address, your name, and yeah, that's just basically it. Then after you do that, you add the quantity, delivery date. Once you select on the delivery date, you can just basically click on done, and yeah, this is basically it. You'll be able to send it to other people. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.